In this video, we will solve the integral of log of 1 over x with respect to x. Our integral is the integral of natural log of 1 over x dx. Step 1 is to simplify the inside. We know that natural log of 1 over x equals negative natural log of x. So the integral becomes the integral of natural log of negative natural log of x dx. For the expression to be real, negative natural log of x must be positive. That means natural log of x is less than 0, so x is between 0 and 1. Step 2 is substitution. Let u equal negative natural log of x. Then x equals e to the negative u. Differentiate to get dx equals negative e to the negative u du. Substitute into the integral to get negative integral of e to the negative u times natural log of u du. Step 3 is integration by parts on the integral of e to the negative u times natural log of u. Choose v equals natural log of u, and dw equals e to the negative u du. Then dv is 1 over u du, and w is negative e to the negative u. Applying the formula gives negative e to the negative u natural log of u plus the integral of e to the negative u over u du. The remaining integral cannot be expressed with basic functions. We use a special function called the exponential integral, denoted ei. In this form, the integral of e to the negative u over u equals ei of negative u. So the result in u is e to the negative u times natural log of u minus ei of negative u plus c.